Business Development Bank of Canada v. Astoria Organic Matters Limited, 2019 owns a 269. The Court of Appeal for Ontario decision was released on April 8, 2019. The appeal court found that this was a very narrow issue to decide, so that it did not have to get into the merits of the case of the purchaser wanting to sue the receiver over a disagreement arising from the purchase of the assets from the receiver under the asset purchase agreement. The Court of Appeal rejected the applicant's appeal and did not find that the Chamber's judge made any errors. They said that when the order sought to be appealed was made in reliance on jurisdiction under the BIA, the appropriate appeal path is the BIA. The lower court, the Ontario Superior Court Justice Commercial List, rejected the purchaser's demand to sue the receiver, which is the decision the applicant wishes to appeal. The requirement to get leave of the court to sue the receiver comes from the Receivership Appointment Order. The court's authority to include that arrangement in the receivership order comes from the statutory power to appoint a receiver under S. 243(1) of the BIA. The Court of Appeal agreed that the legal power to appoint a receiver is also found in S. 101 of the CJA. But considering that authority for the leave to take legal action against the receiver comes from the BIA, notwithstanding that the receiver was appointed under both laws, the appeal is governed by the BIA as a matter of paramountcy. Therefore, the Court of Appeal for Ontario dismissed the applicant's appeal and awarded costs against them. Does your company need to move fast? Does your company have way too much debt? Is your company's cash flow not enough to meet all of its financial obligations? Are you afraid that your company's main secured creditor is about to demand repayment of its loan in full and you just can't move fast enough to save your company? If you answered yes, call the Ira Smith team today so we can end the tension and anxiousness that these financial problems have triggered. We will develop a plan special for your company, to save it from extinction. Call the Ira Smith team today. We have years and generations of experience restructuring and saving companies looking for financial restructuring or a debt settlement approach. As a licensed insolvency trustee, we are the only professionals acknowledged, accredited and supervised by the federal government to provide insolvency advice to save companies. You can have a no-cost analysis immediately to aid you so we can repair your company's debt problems. Call the Ira Smith team today. This will certainly allow you to get back to starting now.